Okay guys, we're at Mason's. Mason's chilling right out there in the driveway. We're gonna go to a pick and pull because he crashed his Jetta, so we need some parts for it. So gotta go get some parts for the Jetta. And Alan is holding the camera right now. He's tagging along with us, and we should have a pretty great day today. We're gonna finish up the Mustang video we've been working on for a while, and we're gonna get that sucker up, along with, we'll probably do an update video on Mason's big old monster truck. So yeah, see you guys when we get to the pick and pull.
Thanks, Justin. So Mason, what are we doing?
Jetta parts, because I wrecked my car. It's great, and if it fits in your pocket, it's free.
Okay guys,
The rest of the door panel's under the door. Under the car.
we need new mirrors, so we just got some new mirrors pulled off the Jetta here, the little one we took. And now we're going to get some leather seats out of another one farther back there. So yeah. Alan, how was your ride on the wagon?
Oh, it was wonderful.
Yeah, that's good.
It's very comfortable.
This is like heaven.
Yes.
So many parts.
Spent a couple days out here.
For real. We should make try and get a car started from the junkyard series. But looking at all these cars, that would be really hard to do.
Yeah.
Dang, this thing still got all the fuses in it.
Justin, you mind explaining?
Mason got a whole bunch more door panels.
Take the seat out, you just, once you get them two bolts out in that back,
We got some
you
fancier
just kind of pull
taillights.
it forward and slam it all the way to the back and pop it out.
We got one more leather seat to get out, but we got this one out right here. They're a lot nicer.
After we just took the door.
But it's ending up really nice. We forgot to wear gloves, so our fingers are frozen. So when we nick our fingers, we just don't feel it, like right here.
Yeah, I didn't want to feel my fingers anyway.
Oh,
Like, I didn't even feel that. Ah, these are nice. This is fun. You guys should go to a junkyard.
Highly suggest.
Highly suggest. Yes. There's a toolbox over there, and I was thinking about maybe grabbing it for my utility trailer, but it's in pretty rough shape. Okay, we got the seats now on the wagon, so I get a nice cozy ride back. And Alan right there is pulling me. We got Mason back there pulling the second wagon. Oh yeah, and I'm getting pushed. So we are cruising towards the front right now. Okay guys, so it is day 2. And we got all the parts and we're back at home, and now it's time to install them. So I just showed up and Mason's already working on his car. He's got his seats out. What do you got, the new mirrors on already? Yep. Dang, look at you go. They're black, so they kind of match pretty cool. Black and blue. He plans on wrapping it all, so it will be all one color. But here's the old seats with the seat covers, and we're gonna swap it in with some nice black leather seats. The leather seat in the other car at the junkyard, the back one, it was all torn up and everything, so it ended up not getting it. So passengers get those seats, but if you get a ride shotgun or driver seat, you're gonna be in the nice new comfy leather seats. Where are those suckers at even? Oh, here they are. Look at these things, they're super nice. So 10 bucks each, so 20 bucks in total for these nice seats with heated seats and everything on them. So yep, let's get to installing all this stuff. Have you done the taillights yet? No? So here's his old taillights.
They're in the trunk though. You want to pop the trunk?
Sure. I'll pop the trunk and get these suckers out. So here's his taillights he has on it, and let me grab the right one. Here's the ones he wants to swap into it. They have the nice white strips. So these ones are kind of like, they have the orangey mark and then the red and white area down there. So these ones just look a whole lot cleaner and more modern. And I personally like these ones a lot. Good thing it fell that way up and not the other way. It would have crushed all the bulbs. Well, yeah, I'm gonna start installing these. On the parts car, I just ripped out the interior. On this one, I'm gonna have to be a little more careful because we gotta reuse this interior. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on that. We're not gonna put the taillights in because you gotta take the whole trunk carpet out to get to the screws, so instead I helped them with the door panels. So we got this one in. It looks super nice with the new black. We got this one in, and Mason's up here putting his license plate back on. Yeah. And this is my favorite one, the driver door panel. All the buttons. That ended up looking real nice. And then we got this rear one. We haven't cleaned it. It's a little bit dirty still, but look at this new look with the seats and everything in there. So these seats are a lot nicer because they got the side bolstering on them. And yeah, if you ask me, it looks like a little race car now in there. Look at those seats. So yeah, I'll probably throw a clip in of us doing the taillights later, but that's gonna finish up this little short video of us going to the pick and pull and then putting all the parts on Mason's Jetta, including the mirrors, seats, door panels, and we'll do the taillights in some random other video we have. But yeah, Mason's gonna button it up, and I think we're headed to the car wash because this car is very salty. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.